In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes to a project in HoneyBook, internal notes. 2026. Let's get started by opening your browser and heading to honeybook.com. This is where everything lives for your projects and communication. If you use HoneyBook often, consider bookmarking the page so it's just one click away next time. Go ahead and log into your account. Enter your credentials, and if you're prompted with any security verification, complete that right away so you can access your workspace. Two-factor prompts or device confirmations are normal and help keep your account secure. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Think of this as your command center. You'll see a snapshot of upcoming tasks, recent activity, and quick links to the areas you use most. From here, we'll move to the part of HoneyBook where your projects live, because that's where we'll add internal notes. Look to the left side of the screen. That vertical bar is your main navigation. It's where you'll find key sections like projects, contacts, and tools. For what we're doing today, we'll use the projects area, which keeps all client work and details organized in one place. Click projects to open your project pipeline. You'll see a list of all the projects tied to your workspace. Depending on your setup, you might see stages, dates, or client names that help you quickly recognize what's what. If you manage a lot of projects, it can be helpful to use search or filters to narrow things down by name, status, or recent activity. Now, locate the project you want to work on. Take a second to confirm you're selecting the correct one by checking the title or client associated with it. When you're sure, click into that project. Inside the project workspace, look for the Notes area. This is designed for internal notes, meaning they stay within your team and won't be shared with clients. Perfect for meeting recaps, action items, or context your teammates need. Choose the Notes section, then click Add Notes. A text editor will open. Start typing your note, and use the formatting tools to keep things clear. You can adjust font size, apply colors for emphasis, or tweak styles to make key points stand out. A simple structure works well. Begin with a short header or purpose. Include the date for quick reference, and add any next steps or decisions made. Keep it concise but complete so anyone on your team can understand it at a glance. Before you navigate away, make sure your changes are saved. That's it. By consistently capturing internal notes in the project, you create a reliable source of truth that keeps your team aligned and your projects moving smoothly.